Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Glenn Fajota. Do you have one of these? Hey, say what's up to Manny the Maverick. Hashtag Manny the Maverick. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's the second week of January. I told y'all we're going to get on this consistency of these videos. It is, January, second week of January. So we have a we want to share something with y'all. If y'all own one of these Mavics, one of these drones, one of these Phantoms, whether it's one of those like cheap ones that you can get in the middle of the mall, we want to do a meetup. So if you have one of these, if you have any type of drone, doesn't matter how much you spent on it, put your name below and let me know what model you have, because what we're going to do is once the weather starts, warming up, we want to do this kind of like, drone meetup. So let me know what you got, and I'm gonna DM everyone and kind of start a new like air meetup.